How to use ChatGPT to summarize text. In order to use ChatGPT to summarize text, you can either provide a direct text or URL for a web article or upload a document file. For the best result, use specific instructions rather than simply summarize this command. So what you want to do is open your ChatGPT app onto your device. Now you just want to copy the text you want to condense and paste it into the ChatGPT message box. You could then add an instruction like summarize this text into 3 bullet points, highlighting the main argument, or paste in the URL of an online article and ask summarize the content of these link. You also need to note that ChatGPT's ability to browse live web browser depends on your version and settings as well. You can use the attachment paperclip icon to upload the PDF file, Word document, or Excel file. You could then ask for a summary of the entire file or specific section as well. You can take a photo of handwritten notes or a whiteboard and ask ChatGPT to digitalize and summarize the text as well. And to get more accurate and useful summaries, try these techniques. That means define the format, specify if you want a single paragraph, a numbered list, or a table. Limit the summary by word count. Summarize in under 100 words or sentence count. You can tell ChatGPT who the summary is for, and you could also chain of destiny for highly detailed text. Use a prompt that asks ChatGPT to uh, refine the summary by adding missing key details while keeping the length short as well. So this way you'll be able to use ChatGPT to summarize text. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.